A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, being able to discern things is a very important gift. Because you don't want to find yourself in a position where you look upon what God a do and say, "Ah, the devil, I do it." Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, I think you need to click it right about now. And go ahead and click the notification bell too, because you're not going to want to miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 3 from verse 20 to verse 30. Now, Jesus go back at the house which part in did a stay, and one crowd of people they gather out there. So him and him follower them couldn't get to eat. When him family hear this, then go for him if he go take charge of him, cause them say him a lose him head. The law teacher them, when they come down from Jerusalem, say him have Beelzebul, the demon ruler, in him. A Beelzebul give him power for run out demon. So Jesus call the people them and tell them one little tour for teach them sitting. Him ask them say, "Oh, Satan for run out himself. If the people of one kingdom hate them one another and a fight against them one another, the kingdom they can't last long. If the people in our family hate them one another and a fight against them one another, the family they can't last long. And if Satan hate himself and a fight himself, he no would have lose him power. In kingdom, no would have mash up and not done him would have done for. And nobody can broke in a one strong man house and thief out in sitting them. Them would have to time up first. When they time up, at that time they then can take away everything. Me I tell you the truth. People will get pardon for all kind of sin. Even for all of the terrible sin them where they say against God. But nobody will say terrible things against the Holy Spirit can't get pardon for that. Because them would have sin one sin when nobody can get pardon for. None at all. Jesus said that because them did say he have one demon in him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.